What's the biggest change you've seen in your business over the years?
Again, I think going from just parts to these more complex projects, that's been a big one. Just the advancement of the technologies, things we're doing with metal now and all these other different processes that are out there. I think that when the, say, consumer level machines first started coming out, they were very consumer level. I think there's a lot of really good, say, like FDM style printers and really even SLA style printers that you can get for, I mean, it's still a hefty chunk of change, but you're not spending hundreds of thousands of dollars.